Hello fashion lovers and welcome to the Fashion Dance Stylista Moda. If you find this channel interesting, if you find this video informative, please subscribe the channel, like the video, share the video and leave comment in the comment box. In today's video, we'll be learning the waistline and yokes. So let's start. So friends, in today's lesson, we are learning types of waistline first. To start with, first we have to know what the waistline is. Waistline is a seam where bodice is connected to the lower area of a particular garment. When suppose there is a frock, so where the bodice of the frock is connected to the flared area or the lower area is said to be the waistline. We have three types of waistline in fashion. That is, first one is this. You can see where the bodice is actually connected at the waist. So this is said to be the normal waistline, right? This is the normal waistline where the bodice is connected to the lower area at the proper waist level. This is said to be the normal waistline. When it is 2, 3, 4 inches up from the body, that means this. If it is connected at this area, so this is said to be the, either we call it in simple language high waistline or empire waistline. Right? This is high waistline or empire waistline. Why it is called high waistline? Because it is little bit high from the normal waist level. And in fashion language, it is said to be the empire waistline. Right? If it is 3-4 inches down from the normal waistline, suppose this is connected, the bodice is connected at this area. So this is said to be the, either we call it low waistline or we do call it drop waistline. So clear? This is normal, this is high because this is higher from the normal, and this is low, that means because this is lower from the normal. In other languages it is said high is empire, low is drop waistline. These three waistline we generally do use. That you can say high waistline, it may be 1, 2, 3, 4 inches, 5 inches, depends upon the length of the bodies, and even same in the low waistline. So this is all about waistlines, right? Now we'll be learning about the yoke, and we'll come to know what is the difference between the, generally people are confused between the high waistline and the yoke. So we will be clarifying the difference of the yoke and the high waistline. So first we should know what is yoke. Yoke is again a seam line which divides the garment, a particular garment, into 2 or 3 proportions, right? There are 3 kind of yokes. First one is, basically this is shoulder yoke. Shoulder yoke is a yoke which is connected to the shoulder, as the name suggests. This is the bodice and this is the yoke, right? You can see this is the yoke. This portion is actually said to be the yoke, shoulder yoke. This is the shaded portion, right? And now what is the difference between the high waistline and the yoke? High waistline is little bit 2, 3, 4 inches up from the waistline, but in case of yoke, this is again a seam or a extra fabric, but it is generally comes from the armhole, because it generally be attached at the upper portion of the bust, right? So this is difference between the waistline and the yoke. High waistline and yoke, both are the different things. Shape may be any. The yoke, it is a shoulder yoke, and it may be in various shapes, just like this is a round shoulder yoke, this is in a round shape. It may be in some other shapes, just like this is sweetheart, this is straight, right? This is saddle, this is asymmetric, and so on, right? Any fabric that is attached to the shoulder to give the extra impact to the fabric is said to be the shoulder yoke. Depends upon the shape of the yoke, it may have varieties, but basically this is a shoulder yoke. Fine. Second category of yokes are the waist yoke. Some people do call it waistband, some people do call it the waist yoke, but waistband and waist yoke are two different things. I'll just explain it to you. This is the bodies, one or two inch up, 1 or 2 inch down from the normal waist level. This is the waist yoke, this portion. This, right? When you say waist yoke is a part of a garment, and it divides the garment in three portions. One is bodies, second is the waist portion, third is the lower, right? When it comes to the waistband, this is the yoke. When you say about a waistband is an extra fabric that has been added to give the impact to the waist. This is not an extra fabric, this is the part of, this is sew with the fabric, but waistbands are tied separately at the waist. So this is not a yoke. Even in waist yoke you may have varieties, just like this is double phased waist yoke, right? And otherwise in the same way, it may be round, it may be sweetheart, it may be V, it may be square or straight or some different names. Asymmetric also it may have, right? Third one is hip yoke. Hip yoke is generally used in skirt or the lower garments. See, this is the belt, this is the hip yoke, and the lower portion, right? This is this the shaded portion is, this is hip yoke, right? So basically we have three sort of yokes. One is shoulder, second is waist, and the third one is hip yoke. These three yokes you may use in your garments. Shape may be any, as per the shapes it may vary, but generally the basic yokes are these three. So today we have learnt about the waistlines, all three waistlines, high, low and normal, empire, normal or drop. Then yokes, shoulder, waist and hip. In all the cases, the shape defines which kind of yoke it is. This is sweetheart shoulder yoke, this is double faced waist yoke, and in the same way this is sweetheart hip yoke. So this is all about the yokes and the waistline, friends. Friends, thanks for watching this video. In the next video, we'll be meeting with a new topic, new flavor, new things. Till then, bye bye and see you again.